Hey, hello, yo, what is up, my nuggets? Today, we're gonna be ripping off our mouth. No, really. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna jump over to the prosthetic video that I made earlier in the week. Now we're just gonna go to a flat surface with the outline shape that you want, and just keep putting layers of liquid latex over it until you get as thick as you want. I did about 12 layers. Now grab your favorite paint palette and your prosthetic and outline it around your mouth. Now grab some liquid latex and some cotton balls and layer it over your line. And it is now that I realize we forgot to cover the top of the mouth before we covered around it. So now that is exactly what we are going to do. Grab some liquid latex and some tissue paper and cover the top of your mouth. I would recommend covering the mouth first before covering around it, because the process is a lot easier that way. And now just build up the edges a little bit more so we can create more depth. And now just cover the whole thing in your favorite foundation. Now grab your favorite powder and set your makeup. Now we are going to be dipping into our red and covering the entire inner part. Now, we are going to be grabbing some black and covering the entire underside so we can create more depth. And put a little bit on top of the red so we can break up the color a little bit. Now we're going to grab some purple and some blue and create some bruising. Now grab some scab blood and cover the entire inside, but not too much or you'll cover the work you've already done. And if you're feeling like it, take some of the scab blood and put it on the outside. You can never have too much blood. Now add some stage blood so we can make it look more fresh. And there you go. Now you're ready to tear people's faces off. Or your own. Whatever works for you.